Alright, people. Alright, people. I'm back at Backyard Budget, but I'm about to show y'all some shit right now. Backyard Budget at this car show slash car meet. I don't know what you want to call it, spot meet, but I'm gonna put y'all on with something real quick. Do a little walk around for y'all right quick. What's that? A racing one?
What?
That's one of them racing ones?
No, it's just a Honda Rugged.
Oh. Yeah, my people, they just come over and just take over this shit. I don't know. I don't see the purpose in it. It ain't nothing but people selling stuff over there. I'm gonna show y'all though. I'm gonna cut through the car. I'm gonna cut through for y'all. Cut through for y'all so y'all can see some cars. Cut through for y'all so y'all can see some cars real quick. Cut through. They got the Ford Rancho here. See that Ford Rancho over there? I'm gonna give y'all just a little quick sneak peek of what Backyard Budget do. We're just doing a little walk around though now. But oh, look at that monster. Clean this over. Look at that monster. Yeah, you know. Ford got to stick out. Ford stick out in front of everything. You know? Alright, people, let's turn around because those are all new cars. We ain't into the new cars. We like the old cars. A lot of nice pieces here. There's not a lot of nice pieces here. Don't worry, like those are the old cars. Now we getting into the, oh, mama, you see mama? That's your car, girl. There you go, 78. Just like she had too. Oh yeah, I need that. Oh, look. You said killer. Oh, lead sled, like take it easy now. Little lead sled. Yo, I need to let y'all see this daggone Hot Wheels for car kids. Oh, I don't know. I think I'm going. Here, look at this. Chevelle. 4-speed. Hot Wheels, baby. Hot Wheels. Yo, check out this fucking van right here, man. This van is crazy. That's how you gotta get in there with a goddamn ladder. Oh yeah, this is a Chevelle. Oh, see, back to back. Legacy. Most of the people done left. Yeah, man, I don't know, man. I'm just getting lazy. I don't know why. The Earth horse 442. Chevy. We got this blower here. Alright people, I'm out for the day. I think that's it. You heard me? Y'all be good. Have a blessed day.